Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
Hi there, welcome to Infinity RG channel. Today we will learn changing sentence assertive into interrogative. Let's get started. Assertive into interrogative. It was a great sight. Answer is, was it not a great sight? No one can tolerate this. Answer, who can tolerate this? Nobody salutes the setting sun. Answer, who salutes the setting sun? Gulliver could hear his watch ticking in his pocket. Answer, could Gulliver not hear his watch ticking in his pocket? It is useless to cry over spilt milk. Answer, isn't it useless to cry over spilt milk? The beauty of nature is beyond description. Answer, isn't the beauty of nature is beyond description? Everybody was heard of Darwin. Answer, who has not heard of Darwin? He has his dinner at 7 every evening. Answer, hasn't his dinner at 7 every evening? I told him to practice regularly. Answer, did I not tell him to practice regularly? Virtue has its own reward. Answer, does not virtue have its own reward? Thank you so much for joining our class. Hope to see you next. Please keep watching this channel. Have a good time. Good luck.